Hi everyone, it's Pirate Girl. So, where did we last leave the story? Lady Rebecca was taking on water at an alarming rate. Look at all that water. There's water in every compartment. She's a flat bottom boat, so she doesn't have a bilge, so I can't just put a bilge pump in. I found it! All right.
Don't tell the boatyard. It's still an emergency.
Not the prettiest day for it, but we gotta move the boat around closer to the boatyard so they can take it out tomorrow. It's windy, cold, and my boy doesn't really want to help. So first things first, I gotta get this rudder on, which was extremely challenging. I thought I'd get into the water, but it turned out it was like chest deep.
Yeah, it's like way deeper than I thought.
But I somehow managed from the dinghy to line up the holes and get the bolt through. It really felt impossible, and I actually asked the universe for help, and I think that's the only reason why I had managed. Keep in mind the tiller's broken. I think that's why I can't stop saying tiller later.
Well, isn't going to give me much leverage, but I mean, it works.
Andrew was really not keen. This is the best weather it's going to be all week, and then I work Tuesday, Wednesday. So this is the day, and I need your help. So come on. Okay, we gotta make this thing happen. You have to give yourself some space, and you give it a big pull. You know, a big yank. Yeah. You kind of, yeah. Okay, now put it down. Now put the choke in. Choke, that push thing. Yeah, push that in. Good job, Mom. Okay, so now we're gonna do the anchors. Hey, you gotta keep helping me. And he did. The rudder's down? Okay, we're alright. Oh, shit. But release that while you pull the other one. Okay, so we're straightening it out now. Watch out. Straighten it out now. Okay, you hold this.
Going the other way, Mom.
Okay. We'll get out of ways and then we'll sort this. And the wind's coming this way, so we really want to be going out. Towards that barge thing. Very great. We were Shelley Beach and coming around here to the causeway, the boat club right here. That's Wahiki Island, New Zealand. And I got no time to worry about mental health when I'm having a boat adventure. Okay, I'm going to need your help landing too. Okay, so what we'll do is we're going to come in alongside, see where the ramp is?
Yeah.
And then right to the right of that, there's like a little bit of beach.
Yep.
We're basically going to go right there. So as we inch towards it, like when we're pretty close, I'll throw this anchor because the wind's pushing us that way. So I'll basically throw the anchor and then it'll tighten. And we'll come up, and then we'll kind of drop the, you know, the front one anchor isn't that important. So, Andrew doesn't watch my videos. Can't wait to get a video. That's what he's talking about. He's talking about, can't wait to get on screen. This kind of adventure is boring. that way. I might actually take the anchor in with the dinghy. Yeah, it's really easy. Okay, we gotta get packed up and then we can go.
How do we pack up?
Okay, so here we are next morning. I feel like I didn't aim all that great. She landed right on the ramp halfway. Check out, the anchor is like right past the end of the ramp. Only just. Shit. Here we are at the boatyard. Okay, so we're gonna put this trailer down underneath her. That's what she's gonna sit on. High tide's at about 4 o'clock. It's about 4 hours away. I'm gonna tie some lines to this cradle thing I'm gonna put her on so that we can center her when the tide's high. Badger. He's so cute. Water's coming up. I have to go pick up the boys from the movie, feed them, and then drop them at Grant's, and then I'll be back here for 3 or 4, around 3-ish I'm aiming for, to move the boat over her new cradle.
What are we doing?
We're going to our house to have a sandwich. Boys are now fed, and Grant's gonna pick them up from here. I am so glad that I'm taking her out of the water. I'm gonna do her up properly, like I wanted to right from the get-go. I'm feeling really good about this. Boys having a good fun muck about in boats. Cute boat. Okay, here comes Diesel in his dinghy. Maybe this is my opportunity. Because this happened. Oh, fuck. Hey, Diesel. Hey, grab that life jacket while you're going by. I tied them too tight, goddammit. Like, if you untie each one at a time and then give it to me. Hi, wanna come help me? I need some help. Then Bernard came to help, and we had a few tense moments while we centered her, and Pete slowly pulled the trailer up. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, so they're perfect. Yay! Oh my god. Here I am. I've paid for a month, so let's do this.
I'm gonna sail across the seas and find my own way, make my own life, live for today.